Hello and welcome back. My name is Josh and this is most definitely not financial advice. Today's video we're talking about one of the hottest blockchains that's around right now, introducing Fuse Network, the infrastructure for open source money. Their blockchain is not only super fast, but their transaction fees are incredibly low. Their motto is infrastructure for open source money, launch community-centric payment systems and token economies on an Ethereum-compatible blockchain. Check out how many transactions they already have. 45 million transactions, almost a million wallets already, and over 2,000 communities have joined with Fuse. And I anticipate we will continue to see adoption around the Fuse blockchain. These guys continue to innovate and develop, and to me, they are an absolute steal at their current market cap. Fuse continues to impress me as they develop through. Right now you already have the Fuse Studio, Fuse Staking, Voltage Finance, and Fuse Cash. So Fuse Cash is a cool one because this is a friendly way that you are going to be able to send crypto, and you're going to be able to do so with fiat currency within their apps. You don't need to go to any decentralized exchanges. You can deposit dollars and get Fuse Cash all within their app. Heading over to the Fuse Staking, we can see all the different validators and options that you do have. Then heading over to farming, we have the Voltage DApp. You can see they have swaps, liquidity, bridging, staking, farming, even lending, and there is a ton of different options depending on what your needs are for the farms. You can see some of the staking options here right now at 46% APY. We have bridges to both Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain with more blockchains on the way. You can see the liquidity here as well as their swap. The Fuse token is the primary currency behind the Fuse network, and there is tons of utility to go along with it. Of course, we have all the different DeFi options, whether that's lending, farming, or staking. We also have the governance portion, basically kind of like a DAO, so proportional stake-based voting systems, and this will be for the development of the entire project. So if you have a large holding of Fuse tokens, you are going to have a bigger vote in the direction of the project. So we also have security and consensus, delegated proof of stake, 5% yearly inflation. This is something unique and I absolutely love it. Now the proof of stake, that is how they are able to keep their transaction fees so incredibly low. We also have 100% of those fees are paid to the network validators. The Fuse token can be bought on a ton of different decentralized exchanges as well as some centralized exchanges. So you can go ahead and buy Fuse token on MEXC, Gate.io, Bitmart, Bittrex, and even more on the way. And since the Fuse blockchain is compatible with those Ethereum DApps, you have a ton of your favorite DApps right here on Fuse. Finance is the first to come to my mind. Definitely a leader in terms of options for staking, and you can see the list goes on. If you want to see if your favorite DApps are on Fuse, you can go ahead and head to this page here. Now for the token itself, I think that the price potential is absolutely insane, especially considering the current market cap being around $7 million. We can see here, looking at Fuse Network via CoinMarketCap, their current price is at 12 cents. More importantly, the market cap itself, 6.7 million, which is to me so undervalued. I could see this project having a absolutely monstrous market cap because their blockchain has so many features that we will discuss here in a bit. On top of that, being so fast and having the lowest transaction fees, I mean, come on. This is going to be a fun project to watch this year. I am completely bullish on them. You can see during the bull run itself, they had a price hike all the way up to $1.96. So right now you are getting an absolute steal if you do invest in them. And I see these guys as just having so much potential. They actually will be at Consensus 2022 here in Austin. I will also be attending, so I'll be getting some additional footage, hopefully with the team. But these guys are doing an amazing job, and I'm very excited to sit down and chat with them. Some of the unique features that Fuse is offering is mobile money, an open source mobile alternative to legacy banking that allows anyone anywhere in the world to access digital payments and decentralized finance. There's Plug and Play, a no-code platform for communities and businesses to build new economic models, leveraging powerful tools and APIs in a low-entry sandbox. And finally, Built for Scale, a fast decentralized payment network that offers Ethereum smart contract capabilities and enables anyone to have ownership in the infrastructure. One of the coolest features that Fuse has come out with is the Fuse Studio. You can customize your own wallet and currency. You can see what the dashboard looks like here. Very nice, sleek, and polished. So it is a zero coding launch platform for entrepreneurs and impact leaders. Mint your own tokens in minutes, activate fiat on-ramps, and grow your user base with powerful tools and plugins. This is absolutely amazing, especially for any of you out there who has a pre-existing community. You can launch any type of project here on Fuse with the Fuse Studio. Heading into the Fuse Studio, here is the home screen. You can go ahead and launch your own economy. You can see more about your own economy and some other featured ones here. Go ahead and explore. There's a YouTube video here that will teach you everything you need to know about how to go ahead and create your own economy. They did a great job laying this all out, and the informational video here will get you on your way if you are interested in participating in the studio. Another amazing development by the team is their Fuse wallet. You're going to be able to onboard your community members with a personalized wallet experience. You can see here what the app itself looks like. Sleek, the UI is nice and clean. This is all going to be very customizable, and you are going to have user-owned data, and you can send and receive money instantly. Available on Apple and Google Play. This, along with Voltage, is why I am just so bullish on this project. Trade and earn without friction. You can see what the DApp looks like. This DeFi Hub is going to be used to swap and gain exposure to assets, back your tokens with pooled liquidity, and access in-depth trading and token analysis. You can see here, limited time offer, deposit Fuse dollars and receive 50% APR. There's going to be different kinds of promotions that you can get in on, but to me, this is absolutely brilliant. I think Fuse is totally crushing it, and these guys are my top pick for an up-and-coming blockchain. For Voltage, it is super impressive that they have already been able to get on the Google Play and Apple Store for applications like this that offer farming and staking, bridging, pooling, swapping, you name it, all there, right there from the convenience of your phone. There are so many people that are trying to get to this point, and the fact that a project like Fuse, whose market cap is far below 50 million, already has so many amazing projects is just insane to me, especially when you consider a lot of the meme tokens out there sometimes have, 20 all the way up to $100 million market cap. Fuse to me seems like such an easy buy because of all the utility that they offer. I mean, utility to me is the best deciding factor when you're looking at a long-term investment in crypto. Any kind of meme token, although they can end up in those 100x's, a lot of times they don't, and utility typically prevails in the long run. If you do want to learn more about Voltage, all the different farming, lending, and staking options, you can go ahead and click Learn More. It'll take you to this Gitbook link, and it has all the information you could ever need for staking, bridging, lending, yield farming, liquidity pools, trading. It's all there for you. I also recommend for you to check out their Twitter. They are constantly keeping the updates going and keeping the entire community involved, and that is part of the reason why I think this project is going to go the distance. So if you are as bullish as I am on Fuse, definitely give them a follow on Twitter, join their Discord or Telegram to keep up to date. In my opinion, Fuse is going to absolutely blow up over the course of the next year due to the main fact of how much utility they offer compared to their current price. I think obviously adoption plays a large part in the price potential, and to me, Fuse is primed for mass adoption between our crypto space. Anywho, that is all I have for you today. Keep in mind that these videos are most definitely not financial advice, so please do your own research. Anywho, that is all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye!